And I am also going to appeal that here in Kerala, Honorable Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala. He is from Communist Party, and he is also in the power last many years. Then I appeal to Honorable Vijayanji. If the Vijayan will join the NDA, then that will be the very revolutionary decision. Because if the Honorable Vijayanji, the Communist Party of India, will join the NDA, then definitely the more money will come to the Kerala, and the very nice development of the Kerala, the improvement of every village, improvement of every town, improvement of every family, and Narendra Modi will give the big package to Kerala also. Why I am going to appeal that? Because I am also with Congress party before 2014. But because of Narendra Modi's development plan, because of the Narendra Modi Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, I joined the National Democratic Alliance. And when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, at that time the socialist leader, Mr. George Fernandes, Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. Sharad Yadav, Mamta Banerjee, and DMK party, Karunanidhi's party, and in Odisha, Biju Janata Dal. They all many parties in NDA, because the agenda of the NDA was a common agenda, development agenda. And therefore I appeal Honorable Vijayanji, he will come and join our NDA, and in the coming assembly election, if the Vijayan and BJP will come together, then there should not be any problem for taking the power in Kerala. Otherwise, after 5 years, what is the Congress alliance? UDF, UDF.
UDF.
और ये
UDF and LDF.
UDF and LDF means because now LDF is in the power. No, now LDF is in the power, but after 5 years, UDF is coming in the power. Then LDF is coming in the power. After 5 years, the government is changing. But if the Honorable Vijayan and BJP will come together, then definitely again Vijayan will become, and he will also become the Chief Minister of Kerala. That is also my appeal. What decision he think about that? Because the Communist Party is also opposing the BJP, the agenda of the BJP. But I appeal to the Communist Party: you don't oppose the development plan. You oppose the BJP, but you don't oppose development plan. And Narendra Modi's plan is also development plan, and therefore this will be also very revolutionary decision of the Communist Party. The socialist parties are also joining the NDA. Then why the Communist Party is not going to join the NDA?